week 3, math, 3rd grade, lesson 1, reviewing long multiplication, reviewing 8 times tables, and fact family flashcards. So it's kind of a big lesson. We made up a problem, 2,954. Xavier made that number for the multiplication. 25 for the multiplier, and Silas gave us that number. So 2,954 times 25. How many partial products are we going to have? 2. 1 for the
units and 1 for the tens.
Nice. So count down 2 spaces.
I already done that.
Thank you. And make your living room for your final product. Who knows the big cheat? Grayson?
0.
0 in the second partial product. So today, since it's review, let's see if you guys can walk us through each part of this, one at a time. Silas, do you want to do the 5 units times each of these in the multiplication? You up for that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 5
10 times 4.
And the 4s, if you don't know them, they're off.
I can count 5 5s.
You can flip it and do 4 5s.
10, 15, 20.
Okay, did you see how he did that? He could have done 5 4s, which is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. But he was like, hey, 5 times 4 is the same as 4 times 5, and 5s are easier. So he did 4 5s instead, and he got to 20. How do we write it?
Only 2.
2.
I would put the 0 first.
Oh, 0 and 2.
Okay, and where would the 2 go?
Up in the hundreds. I mean,
In the
top.
tens? I like to put it right there, because I feel like that way we can smash it in a minute. I feel bad for it, because
I won't get crushed by
yeah,
a
it's going to
boulder.
get crushed. Yeah.
I'm going to get crushed by that. 0.
Okay,
Boulder.
Silas, back to the 5.
5 times
Times
5
5.
is, since we just did 5 times 4 was 20, just add 1 more 5 is 25.
Plus the 2.
26.
27. Put a 7. And what do we do with the 2 tens of tens?
Put the little 2 in the
Hundreds.
Baby
2 tens of tens is 2
Baby
hundreds,
2.
and it's going to be a baby.
I'm putting it pretty big.
And also waiting for the limo.
Yeah, I never snapped my 2.
Back to Silas.
5 times 9. The way I saw, whenever it's past 6, I know 6 is 30, so I count by that.
Well, actually, let's practice counting our 9s. 9, 18, 27, 6, 45, and stop. Did you hear how the units go down? Okay. We got to 45 plus 2, Silas.
You want to do the songs? 45 plus
47.
47.
on the bottom, and then a little 4.
Good. A 7 in the box. And a little tiny 4. Okay, Silas, last of all.
5 times 2 is 5, 10, or you could do it 2 times 5.
Mommy, can I have the
You can do it 2 ways. What he's saying is you can either do 2 5s, which is 5, 10, or 5 times 2. Let's see if it gets us to 10. Let's do our 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Either way. Okay? It gets us to 10. Plus 4, Silas.
14. Because 0 plus 4 is 4.
Well, what is 10 plus 4?
14.
14. Can we write 14?
Yes.
Yes, we can. We can put the 4, and there's nothing waiting. Look, you're in the you can put it in the box,
I didn't kill my phone.
right? Gage, can you do the 2 10s times the multiplication? Are you okay with that? All right, off you go.
2 times 4, 8.
that's 10 hundredths. So the tiny one is a 10 hundredths. It goes in the thousands column. Okay. Okay, back to the 2.
2 times 9 equals 18.
Good. Plus 1. 19. Okay. Put the 9 in the box.
And we'll put another tiny one.
Good. Another tiny one in the 10,000s. Back to the 2.
2 times 2 equals
Plus 1.
5. I know a way
Wow.
I'm going
Okay,
to
this
add
is
it up.
off. Xavier, you up for adding these 2 partial products? All right.
0 plus 0 is 0.
Say it loud.
0 plus 3 is 0 is 0.
Good.
7 plus 8
is
I didn't think of it.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15.
15. How do we write it?
A 5. A tiny 1.
Yes. Keep going. You're doing very well.
7 plus 0 is 7. Plus the 1 is 8.
Good. 7 plus 0 is 7 plus the 1 makes 8.
4 plus 9 is 14.
So how do we write the 13?
3 and a tiny 1.
So
4 plus 5
wait,
is
wait.
9.
Let me tell the kids in the video. So Xavier said 4 plus 9 is 13. So you put the 3 in the box, and the 1 has to wait in the next column. Okay.
This is easy. 4 plus 5 is 9. Plus the 1 is 10.
No, you already did the 4 plus 9. Go over here to this column, and it's 1 plus 5. Okay.
1 plus 5. What's the 1?
Well, first do 1 plus 5. What's
1
1 plus
plus
5?
5 is 6.
Plus
The 1 is 7.
7. Good. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. 73,000, comma, 850 is what we got. Right on times. Okay. Good job. Next, we're going to review our 8 times tables. How comfortable are you all with your 9s?
Good.
Pretty good.
I can-
Let's
I know a
really
way
quickly
to-
say our 9s. And there's this super cool trick you can do.
I know a
I'm
way.
going to turn around, and I'm going to hold my hands up. And Gideon, go ahead and sit up and do the same. Ready, guys? Like this. I asked you to sit. Now, when you're doing 1 9, you're going to put your first finger down. That little pinky finger. Waiting for Gideon.
That's hard.
Pencil down, buddy. Pinky finger down. Now, 1 9, and look at what we have. It's 9. You see that? Now put your second finger down for 2 9s, and put that pinky back up. 2 9s is, well, look, there's 1 10 and 8 units. 18. 2 9s is 18. Do you see that? Put your third finger down. 3 9s is 27. Put your fourth finger down. 4 9s is 36. 5 9s is 45. 6 9s is 54. 7 9s is 63. 8 9s is 72. 9 9s is 81. And 10 9s is 90.
I know another
So
way.
that's a little finger trick, okay? But what I like to do is just memorize the 9s. So just remember your units are going to go down. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Now let me teach you the 8s. Put your fingers up, pencils down. Now drop your 2 thumbs and say 8. You have 8 fingers.
8, you have 8 fingers.
Good.
No.
Now drop your 2 pointer fingers. How many fingers do you have? 6. And we're going to say 16. Okay, drop. 2 fingers, 20.
4.
Good, Xavier. 30.
21. 2.
40. Look at that. Now put 8 up again. 48. 50. 6. 60.
64.
4. I have 4. 64. 72. 80. Try it again. 8.
8.
Silas. Gideon. 8. 16. 24. 32. 40. 48. 50. 6. 60. 4. 70. 2. 8. Alright, that's your little trick for the 8s. Of course, when you get good at them, you'll be able to just go the same as with your 9s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. You'll get faster. Now I'm going to teach you fact family flashcards, and they're shaped like triangles. Okay? So here you go. Make sure you have one. And can you pass one to Silas? Good. You'll see. How are these flashcards? I'm going to teach you. Go ahead and put, who's been real quiet? Gideon. Think of 2 atoms. We're going to write them here and here, and they just need to be under 10, each one. So something and something.
9 and 6.
Put a 9 and a 6.
What about the top?
Well, what does 9 plus 6 make?
50.
Yes, put that at the top. Now,
What about the middle?
well, hang on. I want you to fold the 2. Actually, fold the 15 straight down. We'll do that first. Till the point just touches the bottom. Do you see how I did that, guys? The point just touches the bottom.
Now it looks like a top.
Now, on that flip part that you just made, put a plus sign. Now open it back up, and right here where it was, where it covered up, put a takeaway sign. Yeah, right there.
So it's a takeaway and a plus?
Yeah, now watch. Fold it down, and now fold this into the middle to touch. It's going to look like an envelope when you're done. And now fold this flap into the middle.
It is. Oh my God.
And yeah, it should look like a little envelope when you're all done, okay?
Come on. The 9 won't collaborate.
So 9 won't cooperate. Once they all come to that middle, watch this, watch. Ready? 9 plus 6. There's my fact. And I'm going to ask Grayson. 9 plus 6.
Mine is 6
15.
plus 9.
Let's see if he's right. We're going to flip that up. Is he right? Yes. Now watch. 15. Take away 9.
6.
6. Bam. Now let's do this one. 15. Take away 6.
5.
9.
9. And now we're going to go backwards. 6 plus 9.
15.
15. And that's your fact family.
It's cool.
I
like
want,
it. Can we make another one?
yeah, I want you guys to make them for me with different atoms and a different sum.
Okay,
You
I'm
can't
gonna
do
make a
9
big
plus
one.
6 makes 15 this time.
Can we do pluses?
Yes. So it's going to look like this except for different atoms and a different sum. Okay?
Could we do 50 plus 90?
Yeah,
I'm doing my own.
15 plus 90?
He wants to do 50 plus, you keep yours, I love yours, keep it. Because these are not supposed to be super difficult. If Grayson wants to do 50 plus 90, that's fine. But fact families are not supposed to be about big numbers, right? You're supposed to just get really good at your little numbers, so don't mess with that.
Look.
Great. But 9 plus 9 does not make 99. So change your sign.
I don't understand. 18.
And then once you flip the middle one down, put a plus sign on top of that, and then open it back up and put a takeaway. And Silas, Silas is now gonna do this. He's gonna show it to me, and he's gonna put 2 flaps open and 1 flap shut, and he can pick, right? He can pick which flaps he wants open and shut. So he might do this one and this one to be open, but he has to keep one shut. So show me with, nope, Gage, go back to your spot. Okay, he's got the top one shut, and now just flip it around and I'll say 15 plus 9. No, don't open it, I have to figure it out. 15 plus 9, 24. Yes, good. Does anyone want to give me a different one?
Yes.
Gideon, and don't open the same flap as Silas. He had his top one down, so how about you keep your top one up and put one of the side ones down? So
I put a plus.
Can I make a note?
we're gonna do different. No,
Me
flip it around so I can see it. Flip it. Good. 12, and then I see a takeaway sign. 12, takeaway 8, 4. Am I correct?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Ruben,
Good. We have to ask each other. What should I do?
I want you to show yours to Grayson. No, stay where you are.
Me next.
And
Coming.
uncover 2 flaps, but keep 1 flap covered and show Grayson.
Coming.
Like the top flap and
Whichever 2 you want, you can uncover. Gideon, stay in your spot.
This is mine.
easy.
It's okay. Show it to
Coming.
Grayson.
Do it.
No, you're gonna show yours to Gage.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, Grayson, 200, take away 100. Excuse me, we are doing Ruben and Grayson right now.
100.
Yes, good. Okay, Xavier, open 2 flaps for Gage. Gage, read it out loud.
18 take away 9.
Is,
9.
okay, open the last flap and we'll see if he's right. Awesome. Okay, Grayson, can you give 1 to Gideon?
I'm going to the middle one.
No, you can only shut 1 flap.
I know it. He's trying to
He's trying to shut a different flap. Okay. Now open the top one.
No, I'm not like ready to put that part in the way.
Oh, okay.
My helmets.
Silas, we're in a lesson. Okay, oh, show Gideon. Gideon, can you see that okay?
This is a 5 and this is the number 50.
140, take away 50.
Well, that is 9.
Is he right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm good with that type of stuff.
Gideon, we're going to do a different kind now, but I think you already did. So, we're going to do times and division, which I already did. So, does anybody need a new triangle, or do you have enough triangles?
I don't have any triangles. I have 3, so I think I'm good.
All right.
Wait.
Ready? Each of you is going to put 2 factors in the bottom corners. Make sure they're not too big. You don't want this to be, we're not going to do something silly like 328 times 45, okay? It's little numbers up to 10 but not past 10. So for me, I'm going to do 7 and 4.
1 and 9.
Once you pick your two factors,
I'll do.
you're going to put their product here. So it's not a plus. I'm not going to do 7 plus 4. It's 7 times 4. So whatever the product is goes up in the top. Which for me, I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. No peeking gauge. Then you flip that down and put a times sign on the outside once you flip it down, like that.
I can't think.
Then you flip it back up and put a division sign right under the spot where it covered. I'm not letting you guys see my
I'm not letting you guys see mine. It's actually a really hard one.
Just a line and 2 dots.
like that. Now, bring all your corners to the middle,
I make an envelope.
the envelope, and then we're going to go around and give each other problems to do.
I go to the second. Write the silence. Write my answer. Oh no, I don't.
Ruben.
Gideon, I'd like you to go put that in the trash, please. Gideon, I'd like you to go put that in the trash, please.
You can slide it.
Thank you. So, ready to start? Nope. Oh, don't get in the video, honey. Good, thank you. Okay, ready? Let's start with
Yes.
Silas.
I'm not done.
Yep, but I'm going to give you one. Ready, Silas?
Tammy.
Is it okay if it's kind of hard, buddy? So Silas, he's getting a hard one. 28 divided by 4. The good thing is the 4s are there.
28.
Yes.
Right away. 28.
If you take 28 and divide it by 4, what would you have? 24. Can I let someone else try it?
7.
7. Because look, 4,
4.
8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. The answer would be
28.
7.
What's that?
Because there's 7 on your hand.
alright. These are harder, aren't they?
Tammy.
Alright.
Tammy.
Can I do mine?
Reuben, can you give yours to me? You look like you're ready. Hold it up, uncover 2 of them, and let me try it. 35 divided by 5. Actually, Reuben, can I have that?
Yeah.
I'm going to give this one to Xavier. So let's count your 5s, Xavier.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Stop. You go up to 35. How many 5s did you do? Did you count?
Have my hand.
Yeah, use your fingers.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40,
One more.
25.
Stop. Now, don't put your fingers down. Keep your fingers up. How many fingers do you have up? 7. Let's see if he's right. Good.
Tammy, I need help.
And Reuben, can you sneak over and help Xavier real quick? Gideon, are you ready with yours? Give it to me. Hold it up. Uncover 2. 1. 2. All right, hold it up so I can see it. 18 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 6.
No, it's time.
Can I see the other flap?
It's the opposite way.
Yep. Can I see the other flap? 6. Oh, okay. You did yours backwards, so try and make a new one. Grayson, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
My
I'll wait.
He's
Xavier.
ready.
Xavier, show me yours. And only lift 2 flaps, Xavier. Don't. Okay. What's that top say? 9 divided by 9 is 1. Yes! Okay, that one was easy, right? 9 divided by 9 is 1. But it's important to know that. You know, some kids don't know that.
I've got one.
Silas.
25 times 5.
25 times 5. 125.
I got another
Can
one.
you show me? Yes, great. Okay.
another
Gage. I loved yours because it's important for kids to know that 9 divided by 9 is 1 and 5 divided by 5 is 1.
40 times 8.
You mean 40 divided by 8? Yeah. Okay. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 5. Yes.
But it's supposed to be 48.
No, you said it just right. And you have your divided sign. Okay.
I got another one.
Is Grayson ready? Well, you
No,
got
I need help with the.
Okay. We should wrap up the lesson. But I
Can I
think you
do
guys
another
get
one?
how to do these. These are fun, aren't they?
Yeah,
This is my other